friends, welcome to my version of Halloween.
Pumpkins, chocolate. Nothing says Halloween like Halloween treats. Welcome to the Martha Stewart Show. Hi Martha, if you're watching. I love you. As you can see, this is a very special Halloween episode, and we have loads of really cool little Halloween treats that you can make. They're very easy. They're like little hacks or little shortcuts, if you like. So if you are up for some Halloween fun, let's do it. Shall we do it? Let's do it. This is so funny because you guys can't see, but like everyone is dressed up. So like Hayley is a pink lady. Dax, Jamie is Marion. Dax, you, Mario. Forget about it. Love it. And in case you didn't notice, we carved ourselves some beautiful pumpkins yesterday. We had a lot of fun doing that. So that was very fun. But let's get on to the first thing that we're doing. So let me run through the menu. So we've got ghosty strawberries. We have a really cool little set of treats to put in a Halloween bento box. And we have alien burgers. Oh, so good. All right, guys, let's get going because this is a jam-packed Halloween episode. So does Martha say jam-packed? I feel like she doesn't say jam-packed. I feel like she doesn't laugh as much as me either. I should turn that down. All right, so let's get going on the chocolate. So I love these little tricks because it's just mainly store-bought ingredients that you can turn into really cute things. So I have my strawberries. I'm gonna need to heat this up. So 200 grams, a minute 30. And we want to use baking white chocolate, don't we? Because if we use regular white chocolate, what happens?
Well, it has a higher sugar content, so it can burn really easy in the microwave.
There you go, guys. So go for the baking white chocolate and that will make your life much easier. All right, can we get that melted, Hayley? Thank you.
We also need to put in just a little bit of veggie oil.
Beautiful.
That's going to keep it nice and shiny and moist.
Nice.
Yeah.
Thank you. So while Hayley's doing that, let's have a look at what else we've got. We've got our strawberries, we've got our little eyes here. I've got some royal black icing here. And what you want to do is cut a really, really fine tip on that because we're going to use this to do our little ghosty mouths and noses. There we go. Nice one. All right, that looks good. Okay, so this is what your chocolate should be looking like. Nice and smooth. And let's go in with our strawberry. So the trick here is that you want just enough to cover the strawberry, not too much that's going to pool too much. You'll see what I mean. So just do a nice little dip here. You want kind of like a little bit of a ghosty tail. So just let it drip a little bit and then kind of drip into a little tail on here. Dip. There we go. So you got like a little ghosty tail down the bottom. They're really delicious. Charlie just devours them, and Henry actually. They love them. Now before the chocolate dries, make sure you get your eyes on there. So I'm going to go for a big bloody eyeball first of all. Okay. And some little purple ones, I think. Oh, they're so fun already. Okay, look at these guys. They're so cute. So I have let these guys firm up a little bit in the fridge for a couple of minutes, just so the chocolate's hard enough that we can put our little mouths on. Okay, so just take your icing and you want to just pipe on whatever kind of shape you like. I'm going to go for a bit of a surprise guy here. So fun. So cute. Halloween is so fun. All right, now I'm going to try for a bit of zigzag here.
What was the motivation to be Martha today?
I love Martha. Who doesn't love Martha? So now you can pop them out onto your little tray or into little lunch boxes. And there you go. Strawberry ghosts. Okay, so we have our very cute little strawberry ghosts ready to go. Let's get going on our bento box. So some really easy ways to trick this up, guys. First of all, we're going to do our little spiderwebby eggs. Now you need some boiling water, and I've got some food color gel here, black, Now that's going to go in here. It's a very pleasant sound, isn't it? And you need lots of it. So the trick here is you want the liquid to be really nice and dark so that we get a really good stain on our eggs. Now, I've got some softish boiled eggs, about 6 minutes. Take yourself a teaspoon, a couple of cracks, and then into the water. I've turned the heat off now, by the way. I just wanted the dye and the hot water to kind of meld together, but that's all looking good. So I'm just gonna soak those eggs in there. Now, if you guys have some really cool Halloween things that you love to make, I would love to see the photos. Please pop them in the comments below so we can all have a look. Any tips would be much appreciated. Okay, this wig is really itchy, by the way. So we're gonna make some little mummified hot dogs. These are so easy, but so cute. You want some hot dogs and just grab yourself, I've just used a really thin rice noodle here, like a thin pad thai noodle, and just quickly sort of cooked that. And you wrap the noodle around your hot dog. Now, if you've made your strawberry ghosts, you'll have some leftover royal icing. So just use a little bit of that here as a bit of a glue. And then pop your little eyeballs on. And there you have it, a little hot dog mummy. So let's start filling up our bento box. Just a little bit of filler. So maybe some green lettuce here. Now pop our little mummy dogs in there. Okay, so next up we're gonna make some little rice ball jack-o'-lanterns. So the trick here, I think, whenever you're dealing with cold rice is to just wet your hands a little bit and then grab a hold of some rice. I've got some sushi rice here, circular shape, and some smoked salmon. Just wrap that around. Now, I think the best way to get a good shape here is to grab some Glad wrap and then just really twist that into a nice round shape. Okay, and then you can untwist and you have a beautiful little round pumpkin to start with. Now we need to put our face on there. Okay, so now we get a little crafty with our nori sheets here, and you want to cut out some eyes. I don't know, should I make a friendly or a mean one? Let's try and make a friendly one. Okay, there's our little guy, very cute. Now you can go your own adventure here, obviously. All right, so far so good. Our bento's nearly done. Let's get going on our eggs. Okay, so I'd suggest some gloves here. Just protect your hands from that dye. And now let's peel our eggs. Goodness, it's so cool. It's just like a little spider web. Now I put a little bit of nori in the bottom here, and I'm gonna pop my spiderweb eggs on top. Okay, our bento box is done. How easy was that? Now let's do some little alien burgers. Alien burgers! All right, so super easy here. What we wanna do is grab our little mini burger bases, and we want a little squirt tomato sauce. Now, we want some on the top here as well, because I kind of want like an oozy, like blood oozing kind of alien guy. It's the kind of situation we're going for. Oh wait, Martha doesn't say that, only Marion says that.
Now this is the kind of situation you're after.
And now I'm all confused. It's like Inception, oh my goodness. Okay, a little bit of lettuce, because you know, try and get some greenery into the kids when you can. All the adults. Okay, now one of our little burger patties. Now, I feel like you just like, what is that? Oh my goodness, this hair. I'm just not used to so much hair in my face. Okay, now I want some cheese here, and I want a little gherkin kind of poking out tongue. So, a little tongue there. Okay, oozing on top there. And now you're gonna have some alien like eyeball things going on. So we want a little cocktail onion with a little olive kind of wrapped around there. Goes in the top. And there you go. So it's actually that thing, like as soon as you put eyes on something, it's like, oh my goodness. Okay, so cute and so easy. I love all these really easy things to do. I mean, often like you want to make a big deal out of, kids thing or, Halloween, but you just don't have the time. So this is a really good solution. And there you go, guys, our little mini alien burgers. So that's it for our Halloween special. I hope you all enjoyed that. And thank you for joining me today. And happy Halloween from the Martha Stewart Show. Oh my God, I'm the worst TV host in the world. Let's just eat some burgers. I'm actually really excited about eating this burger.
Well, that's it for our Halloween special. Thanks for joining us, guys. Oh, I just can't wait to dig in here. These burgers are going to be so good. Oh, wow, that is so great. Happy Halloween. Yum.